Hi everyone! In this video, I wanna explain how I made foam soap from my favorite body wash. It's very easy and also this doesn't dry out my hand. I do housework every day and wash my hands often, but recently my skin condition is pretty good. And this hand wash smells so good too, so you can also use any kinds of your favorite body wash. Or if you wanna make home soap for your baby, you can use baby soap. Or for all your family, you can use Castile soap. You can also wash your pet, or you can also wash your hair too. And you can also use pet shampoo if you wanna make home soap for your cats or dogs. Any kinds of liquid soap is okay. And if you wanna make it cheaper, you can also wash normal dish soap. Dish soap is okay. You just need 25 to 30% of body wash, liquid soap, and just tap water and 1 teaspoon of salt for 1 bottle. When you add salt, the foam soap becomes thicker. And sometimes please shake well. Yeah, foam soap becomes thicker and doesn't become easily bad. And I recommend you to use all homemade foam soap within 1 month, but it's still like very good condition. Like you can kill germs and also yeah, keep your hands clean, and also you can wash your face and hair too if you use normal Castile soap. This is also recommendable. If you make foam soap from Castile soap, you can wash everything, like including dish, pet, and yeah, you can wash dog, and also you can use for cleaning. So yeah, if you make foam soap with this, is very useful. I really love this scent, so my husband also love this scent, so I make this from this body wash. Yeah, my husband gave me 3 bottles of this, so I just try to use this. And this doesn't dry out my hand. It's also important. So only 3 ingredients. Let's review. Just 25-30% of body wash, water, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix very well, and sometimes shake. And if you wanna make more like strong, like more effective foaming soap, you can also use baking soda instead of salt. You can add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, or if you wanna make more moisturizing hand soap, you can use vegetable glycerin or olive oil, just a little bit, few drops of vegetable glycerin or olive oil to make it thick instead of salt. Yeah, vegetable glycerin is also one kind of alcohol, so it also keep liquid, how can I say, liquid become like longer life. So yeah, vegetable glycerin is also a good option, and this also keep your skin like moisturized, so very cheap but also effective moisturizer too. I bought this from iHerb. Yeah, but I think normal salt, normal table salt, or like sea salt or any kinds of salt works. And you can also make any kinds of soap thicker by just using salt. Yeah. and I just got this like a nail cleaning brush from Japan. And this is very recommendable for people who often cook for your family or for other people, because even my nail is very short like this. Like sometimes something inside of my nail, and I didn't like that, so I recently tried to clean my nail very well. Yeah, it's also important for good hygiene. Thank you for watching. I hope this will be helpful for you to save money or to make your favorite smell fragrance hand soap. Yeah, let's try. It's very easy, and when hand wash smell very good, your kids will wash their hands often, so it's also keep their motivation to keep their hand clean. So please try to make homemade home soap with your kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.